क्यों चिपके ले रहे हो?
बंगालियों के पास फुटबॉल खेलने का भी, फुटबॉल खरीदने का पैसे हैं।
Hi guys, so this is day 3 of me being in Meghalaya, and today we are starting a trek. This is a double-decker trek in Cherrapunji, and this is me. We have just started right now. I'm carrying a stick and wearing shorts, some good kicks, and that's my travel bag. I look fresh. It's 10 a.m. in the morning, and I'll show you the whole trek. So the whole trek is in a lush green jungle come mountainous region. Like you can see, there are hilltops everywhere around, and this is the only man-made thing where you can climb it down with a little bit of ease. Or else if you try to climb down from those areas, obviously that will be a big challenge. So yeah, let's continue the trek. I'll have to catch up with my team. We have amazing people with us. So guys, meet the team that I'm with. This guy, आपका नाम बोलिए please.
My name is Shyam.
He's our guide. Starting with the boss. Chandan, how are you feeling?
Great.
Are you ready for the trek? We have climbed some 200 steps down. Are you okay for now? Because my legs are shivering. Rahul, are you okay?
All good.
Ready for it? Can you guarantee that you will not be breathing उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Heavily when you come back? Okay. We can continue now. Praveen, how do you feel? This is the only guy who hasn't taken any sticks. Let's see. We'll meet him back.
Inshallah.
Ashish, oh my god. How do you feel, Vinod? How about you, Raju?
All well, all well. All is well.
Abhishek?
Excited.
Abhishek is excited. I'm not very sure how he is, but let's continue this. That's the team, and everybody's walking down right now. And we'll come back later. Hey guys, so we've climbed down some 600 steps now, and we have just stopped for a bit. And what the group's observation is that we have shaking of our legs. That is happening. We're not tired or we're not fatigued at all, but our legs are shaking a little. That can probably be because there's a complete slanted climbing down of stairs. So that, but we have stopped at an extremely beautiful view. Let me just show it to you. This is where we've climbed down from, and this is our first view. Look at this. It's like a ditch-like scenario here. That's our team, and we're just taking rest, and we'll be starting again now. Let's go. Guys, we have done 1,500 steps now. That's what we've been told by our guide, and it feels fine as of now. I don't think it's very difficult. Team is again ready to go, and obviously I am too. So we'll be moving again. We've completed around 2,500 steps, and I have to tell you few very important things that you need to remember. So that is where we have stopped right now, and I'll show it to you. Wait. So that is one shop. You get these kind of shops in the entire way. You can see there are benches as well. So make sure that you first of all buy sticks when you are coming down, because while coming down it can be a irritable item to carry, but when you go back again, that will be extremely useful. And the other thing is, make sure that you stop after every 700 to 800 steps or 500 according to your capacity. That will be nice. And okay, first of all, what do you get in these shops is you get fruits to eat, you get some snacks, you get some chocolates for the sugar levels. Sugar has that problem, you can get that, and you get juices, fresh juices of lemon and some other fruits. And do not miss eating the pineapples here. They are best. Okay, so finished walking the single bridge. Going down now. This is epic. This is epic, guys. This is. What was that? Those are the two bridges.
का सीजन होते हैं, मतलब 6 महीने मतलब ऐसे जंगल में काम करने पड़ते हैं, मतलब
6 महीने जंगल में काम करते हैं।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, मतलब
बारिश
ऐसे
नहीं है तब?
ऐसे घूमते जंगल पे।
ऐसे?
हाँ हाँ, मतलब कभी कभी ऐसे खाना ढूंढने के लिए, मतलब वेजिटेबल्स या फिर कोई भी जानवर।
Wow.
हाँ हाँ, ऐसे ही करते हैं पहले पहले।
क्या ओके।
अभी तो मतलब लाइफ थोड़ा चेंज हो गए ये टूरिस्ट की वजह से, मतलब हम लोग का लाइफ थोड़ा इजी हो गई।
तो अभी
Okay.
आसान।
हाँ हाँ, अभी आसान हो
आपको
गया
कौन सा अच्छा लगता है, पुराना वाला अच्छा लगता है अभी?
दोनों, क्योंकि देखिए इस टाइम में भी हम लोग जाने पड़ते हैं ना जंगल में, तो मतलब काम करने पड़ते हैं ना।
जब टूरिस्ट नहीं है तो जाना ही पड़ेगा।
हाँ हाँ सर, टूरिस्ट होने से भी मतलब जब दिन आते हैं जाने पड़ेंगे, मतलब दिन रखते हैं ना हम लोग, मतलब ऐसे काम पे जाने के लिए, अपने खुद के काम पे।
बच्चे पढ़ते कहाँ पे?
हाँ, विलेज में होंगे स्कूल।
सोहरा?
हाँ, 8th स्टैंडर्ड तक होते
वहाँ
विलेज
सोहरा
पे।
में?
नहीं विलेज पे।
आपके विलेज में?
हाँ, हाँ।
उसके बाद
सौरा,
सोहरा?
फिर
वहाँ पे-
उसके
वहाँ पे
बाद
कब-
शिलोंग।
कहाँ तक है? Plus two
सौरा
तक है।
+12 तक। हाँ
उसके बाद आपको शिलोंग जाना पड़ेगा।
हाँ हाँ।
तो काम के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं, यहीं पे मिल जाते हैं या बाहर जाना पड़ता है?
अगर बड़े काम के लिए तो बाहर में जाने पड़ेंगे, यहाँ गांव में तो क्या काम करेंगे सर, जैसे अभी किया ना वही करने पड़ेंगे, जंगल में काम या फिर ऐसे गाइडिंग।
जैसे हम लोग कल जो लिविंग रूट ब्रिज गए थे
हाँ,
चौकी
जैसे-
के पास, तो वहाँ पे विलेज फंड भी होता है और एमटीडीसी का भी होता है,
हाँ हाँ
तो उनको पैसा वहाँ से भी मिलता है। यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं होता।
हाँ, यहाँ पे भी मिलते हैं ना। उस पैसे तो मतलब विलेज को मतलब अच्छे से बनाते हैं ना, जो फुटपाथ होते हैं,
हाँ, हाँ।
वो सब कुछ बनाते हैं हम लोग, डस्टबिन वो सब खरीदते हैं
उनके लिए फंडिंग
हाँ।
मिलता है आपको?
हाँ हाँ, मतलब ये गांव के लिए फंडिंग तो वहाँ से आते हैं ना पैसे, जहाँ से एंट्री लेते हैं, मतलब वहाँ से आते हैं फंडिंग हम लोग का।
Guys, look at this. This is where we're walking. Bridge here. This is closed right now. He's saying when there is heavy rain, that is when they open it. This is the bridge. Normally, in seasons like these, this is repaired, and this is a river. There is extremely strong water flow here in the rainy season. Natural swimming pool, guys. We'll be taking a dip here when we come back. Not right now, because we need to go there.
अगर हम लोग बीमार पड़ेंगे तो मतलब ये सब ऐसे
अरे इनको चेरापूंजी
जंगल
जाने
में-
में हाफ एन आवर लगता है, तुम्हें हॉस्पिटल जाने में बेंगलुरु में 45 मिनट लगता
वो
है।
भी सही है।
हाँ, ये तो फैला
How do you feel?
Superb, great experience.
ये देखिए नीचे।
After the first stretch of climbing, how do you feel, Ashish?
I'm very happy.
How about you, Rahul?
All good, yeah.
All good? How about you, Raju?
मस्त मलाइका है, मस्त मलाइका.
Okay. This is a bridge. We are walking. A lot of people are walking here. The destination for which we did the entire trek. We climbed down, that is why all of us look fine right now. When we go back, that's when the major trouble starts. But I'll show you where we are. So this is the double-decker bridge. This is formed naturally by the roots. Obviously, there's some human intervention that is pretty visible. But again, these are all roots. This is the entire team. Everybody's pretty fine. I'll show you how many fishes there are here. Guys, I'm in the water at this place. Look at this. That is where my team is. That is where sun is. And look at the color of the water. It's fucking blue. Blue sky, blue water, and this is insane.
इतना तो छोड़ चुका है, उम्मीद ही लगा के छोड़ चुका है।
बोला ये
अभिषेक का अभी स्ट्रैटेजी पता चला, धक्ने से वो फॉर्म में आ जाता है।
Hi guys, I'm about to finish the trek. This is where we started from at 10 a.m. in the morning. I guess it's around 4:30 now. This time is not just the trek, but there was a natural pool where we swam. Obviously, you guys saw all of that. So all the activities that we did, we finished it in this much time. I'm third of the group to finish it. Raveen and Rahul made it before me. Yeah. So the review of the trek, I don't think it's very hard. For people who have issues in their leg, like if you have a injury or anything of that sort, you may face some problems. If you're fat, like if you're obese, that also may be a problem. But I don't think it's a difficult trek. You can do it. So Praveen was number 1 to reach. Praveen, what are your thoughts about the trek? Do you think it was difficult? Can people do it?
It was definitely difficult, but definitely doable. There were many people around 60 years old, they were doing it. Definitely difficult, but definitely possible.
Rahul, how about you? What do you think?
It was a good trek, but you have to do thoda exercise on day-to-day basis.
Okay, so what Rahul thinks is if you're regular at exercise, you'll probably be able to manage it.
But the swimming was amazing.
Yeah, guys,
Nothing
look out
can
for
be-
that in the video. We have the videos. Welcome, Vinod. You're number 4. Do you think the trek is difficult? I asked, do you think it is difficult? People can do it or not?
To be honest, little bit difficult.
Little bit difficult. Who do you think cannot do it?
Older people, but older people nowadays doing.
Okay, then people who are obese, fat.
What do you mean? Older people are doing. You're pointing anyone?
Nothing. Thank you.
So we have Bhagyaraju at number 5. Welcome. One question. Do you think the trek is difficult?
It depends on your
Mentality.
willpower.
Willpower.
When it is difficult, it's difficult. When you enjoy, it's not difficult.
Crazy. He said it's about willpower. Welcome, Sham bhai. कैसा लगा आपको?
अच्छा लगा हमको बहुत।
ये पहाड़ बनाया उन्होंने और पूछ रहे हैं कैसा लगा।
Guys, this is an unbelievable feat. Abhishek has made it on the 6th rank. Abhishek, do you think the trek is difficult and doable?
Do it
Or
at your,
doable?
do it at your own risk. All the best for you. May your legs not hurt that as much as is it doing for me right now.
Crazy. He's very honest. Finally, the entire group is here. Ashish and Chandan, do you think it is doable for all the people out there? It is doable, Ashish? Very easy. Why Chandan is saying it's very easy?